This is exactly how I was able to fix my Mercedes-Benz app not connecting. So firstly, what we need to do is to close our Mercedes-Benz app, and instead you're gonna go to the App Store if you have an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you have an Android. And then in here, click on search and then just search for Mercedes-Benz right here. As you can see, so search for the Mercedes-Benz app, scroll down and click on it. And you can see there's an update button right here. Very important, if you have it right here, the update button instead of the open button, is to just click on it to be able to make sure that you have the most up-to-date version of your Mercedes-Benz app. That is very important. So just now, if you have it, just wait for it to load completely here. And another thing that you have to do as well is to go into settings here on your phone. So just go into settings and make sure that you're actually connected to your Wi-Fi right here, because if you're not, it's not gonna work either. Another thing to do is to go to apps here and then click on search apps. Search for Mercedes here and click on the Mercedes-Benz app here if it allows us to. Yep, perfect. And you can see wireless data. So if this one is set to off, you have to set it to VLAN and mobile data. This for sure will fix this problem for you, or most likely if it was this issue right here. So just try this and hopefully now it's gonna work for you as well.